The joy of cats, the laziest creatures on earth, but the most loved and the most adored. We collect them, we collect things with them on them, we even love the grumpy ones. The Nyan cat, although annoying, we love that too. This is my tabby cat, Sushi. And this is pretty much as exciting as a domestic cat can get. What a great life it would be to be a cat, eh? And I have another cat. Where she may be, we do not know. She was there. Now she's up at the window. This is Leia, the tuxedo cat. She's named after Princess Leia. She's a wonderful cat. Wouldn't hurt a fly. She's the most laid back cat in the world, but loves a grub. Love them both. Now the cat watches the cat TV, known as the window. Yawns. Imagine this was the real nature documentary. The life of the domestic cat. I wash myself, I lick myself, I eat, I lie down, I look at people, look around. Look at the window, clean myself again, and there we have it. The life of cats.